So here is Spill app. It's currently in the top charts in the US App Store. It's got some traction on TikTok and something like that. So the idea of this app is this is like the Twitter. This is like an alternative to Twitter, like another new microblogging app. And the focus of this app, this is like the Twitter for Black community, if you can say that. So yeah, and it also has some very funky design. Yeah, so let's just open it up. It at the moment it's available in the App Store. You can download it in the App Store. However, it still requires invite codes. So you need to look or ask your friends to invite those. And then this app is very visual. So you have all these cards, which are basically like tweets, or you can just make them much smaller, like that, or you can just so just tap on that button in the bottom right, and then you will change the view how it looks like. Fresh tea, that's just like everything trending right now, all the discovery feed basically. My brew is basically people who you are following. So if you just tap on the account, you can follow someone. Then you have some standard settings like share, report, user, block user. You can so yeah, something like that. And then yeah, you can just if you tap on the cup, basically. Yeah, so this is just like an overview of the feed. And then if you want to post something, you can just tap in the bottom feed where you can add some text, you can add some images, you can you can enter polls, and then you can just send a message, and then yeah, you will just see here the message like that. And there is like the message limit, 90 characters, and then you can also add like a thread, as I understand. So you can just keep adding those threads, and then you can just tap spiel, and that's basically how you tweet. So tweets here are called spiels. Then you can just quote it. If you want, you could quote or basically retweet or quote with comment. So let's say I just quoted this. And then you can also unquote if you wanna. You can do that. You can also delete your own spiel. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Then you can just tap on your profile. You reserve your username when you create a profile first. It's not possible to change your username later, as I understand. So then yeah, you can edit profile. You can change your profile picture. You can change your name, but it's not possible to change username. It's possible to change date of birth, but yeah, and then you can add your bio, you can add your website. So for example, my blog. So and then yeah, then you can see your own messages, your own quotes. If you tap on again on this cup, you're kind of liking it. So that's your own like. And then if you tap on your icon. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And then there are settings. You can go to settings. You can delete your account easily. And then there are notifications. You can set up which notifications you want to receive. Color-wise, is quite cool. You can change your theme for free. Green tea, black tea, hibiscus. So everything is related to the tea theme, which is quite cool. Then accessibility is text, swipe, advancement, direction, right or left. You can share the app. There is like a help. You can reach out to their support. So support@spielapp.com if you want us. That's basically how you reach out to support. So yeah, basically then also you have like these tickets in the top part. So this is your invite codes. So when you're using the app, you can share the invite codes and invite other people. So that's basically the idea. That's how it works. Then you have comments, and then you have T like spiels. These are your own posts. Comments, this is your comments, obviously. T, this is what you liked. So these are your likes in this app. Then you can just search for some stuff here. You can see notifications. Again, you can just share it. If you just swipe down, then you can access Spielboard. So that's like the feature you should know. That's like a discovery feed. So here, yeah, you can see some trending hashtags. There are hashtags here. Then there are all these GIFs. There are popular posts. And then, yeah, you can see some popular posts which have like 248 likes, for example, 16 comments. So you can see, yeah, like this app doesn't have like millions of users yet, but it's a good start. It's getting a lot of traction in the App Store, and it's one of the top apps, especially for like Black community. So yeah. And then that's basically how it looks like. It has this funky design, a lot of visuals, a lot of hashtags. Then you can just tap on some hashtag, and then you can see how it looks like. So yeah, these are some of the things you can discover with this app. So yeah, other than that, there are some other additional features like reputational score. Reputational score is your way to unlock rewards, new features, and other benefits just by being dope and keeping our community safe on Spiel. More details to come as we get closer to rolling it out. So yeah, that's what you can see here. Then you have comments, then you have on T, and so yeah, that's what it is. So feel free to explore this app. I hope you will be able to get the invite code and then explore it. I'm not sure if this app is on Android yet, but it's available on iOS App Store. You can get it for free. However, yeah, you will need to have an invite code, and that's what it is.